In addition to U.S. Senate races across the country, voters will also be choosing state attorneys general across the nation. From time to time, these officials have acted as checks on federal policies. Christy McDonald of Detroit Public Television has a look at one of these attorney general races in Michigan.
Oh yeah, so the Tri-County Citizen, was that there when you were? Okay.
It's a last-minute push to sway voters in a competitive and pivotal race for Attorney General in Michigan. Tom Leonard, Republican Speaker of the State House, a conservative and a Trump supporter.
I will be a rule of law Attorney General that will enforce the laws. And even if there is a law that may contradict where I am at politically or philosophically, that law will still be defended.
Thank you, everybody.
His opponent, Democrat Dana Nessel, is an activist attorney who gained notoriety fighting Michigan's gay marriage ban and winning. Nessel has also been quoted as saying she'll sue the Trump administration all day, every day.
I certainly am somebody who's willing to hold the federal government accountable if they're engaging in acts that hurt the residents of this state.
And it's that emerging power of attorneys general nationwide to challenge the current administration's policies that has put more focus on races this November. Michigan is one of 30 attorney general races on the ballot this November. It's one of 8 competitive races being closely watched. Right now, there are 27 Republican attorneys general, 22 Democrats, with one appointed by an independent governor. And if Democrats can change the numbers, we could see increased legal challenges. Paul Nolet is a professor at Marquette University in Milwaukee.
So they have a lot of discretion to bring the sort of lawsuits that they want to bring. They're getting involved in highly controversial issues of Obamacare and environmental politics and climate change and transgender rights. I think it's inevitable that every AG of both parties are going to come into their job with certain views about how their office should approach these issues.
Now he sees coalitions breaking down along party lines. Earlier this year, 18 Republican attorneys general banded together in the latest lawsuit against the Affordable Care Act. In June, 18 Democratic attorneys general sued over family separations at the border. Leonard is cautious about the state attorney general role in immigration.
Well, so much of immigration is based on federal law. The Supreme Court has made very, very clear that that is the case.
Nessel takes a different view.
I intend to utilize this office in a way where it helps everyone around this state and really have an office of Attorney General that just gives a damn about the people who live here again.
Michigan's had a Republican Attorney General for the last 8 years. The issues the next Attorney General will have to face statewide: litigation from the Flint water crisis, the opioid epidemic, LGBTQ, and women's reproductive rights. Voters will have to decide which candidate will use their best discretion on what fights to join or sit out. For the PBS NewsHour, I'm Christy McDonald in Detroit, Michigan.
And when you're passionate,